Welcome to the Circle Segmented Cutter video series, part 3 of 4. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Circle Segmented Cutter barrel cutter with the barrel shape. So again, we're going to look at the tool library. We're going to right click and create a new cutter milling tools barrel cutter. And this one's got a little bit more going on with the shank contour. So we're going to go ahead and take advantage of the shank contour option here in the general cutting parameters. So we're going to start at the top again here, 16 millimeter for the diameter for the shank, and then the cutting diameter, or the nominal diameter here, is 20 millimeters. I'm just going to throw that up here, 20. And then the cut edge length and the insert length we're going to put at 34 millimeters for the cut edge length, and probably go 45 for the insert length. We'll stick with the 50 millimeter programming length, and the overall total length is 110. So now for the shank contour, I'm going to select this guy here. Again, we could type all this stuff in here if we wanted to figure it out off of the drawing. But we're just going to use the select contour. It's much easier. So I'm going to select the contour here. It's going to import it and automatically fill out the values. Now we have our correct shank contour going on here. And then in the barrel cutter parameters, we can select the barrel shape. And again, we have profile radius, point radius, but now we have profile radius height. So this is different or new with the barrel shape option. Profile radius is the 50 millimeter diameter here. Oops. The point radius is down here. The radius of the tip of the tool is 2. And then now the profile radius height. This is the new option. This one is basically the center of the profile radius to the tip of the tool. So in this example, it's 20 millimeters. And it defaults to 20, so we're already there. And the usage area, again, I'm just going to select standard. Again, this is the usage area of the cutting tool. So the top is here at the center of the, basically the profile height. And then we have this middle from, or the fixed from that position to the tangent point of the profile radius and the point radius. Now we can put this in a holder and use this one. So again, this is barrel shape.